Welcome to Option Center's 329.21. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. We sure did. Now, the game plan for today. We go through the ES in multiple time frames, and we check out some trade ideas. I don't think this correction is quite over just yet. It should be just one day, maybe not even that today. We might have some great follow through, but we'll go down in the lower time frame and check that out, see what's possible for today. Before we do that, go down to that bottom right hand corner Option Center logo and hit subscribe. Hit the like button so we could get those algorithms moving and get this channel out to a bunch of new traders. We want to make sure that everybody's okay in this market, and we love to review things and keep everybody on track, okay, including myself. All right, so here we go. ES on the monthly. Let's dive in here. Look at the candle. We're still in the inside month. We're popping up. We are just about to push over, and I think we'll do that before this month is over here. What do we have, 31 days here? Yeah, we have till Wednesday, so looking good. Everything's bullish. MACD is flying. RSI is not overbought. We have the weekly up next. Let's put on the weekly board, and we are on wave 5 of 5 in the weekly as well. Now this is, I know we just started and we're in the wee hours, but we are in the inside week. It looks like we're almost trying to push like an ascending triangle, and I think we just might get that really soon. So it's looking good. We're putting pressure to the upside. We're over that. Let's do it like this. Yeah, something like that. So ascending trend. So essentially we have a dip. We're really pushing on this 39.78 area. That's all-time highs, but we're in an inside week right now. We're off of the Abnb. Everything's looking bullish. We're just kind of sideways in the MACD, so the pressure isn't highly to the upside on the weekly, but still well into bullish territory. So we're on the daily. Trend is my friend. Looking on this daily, I modified the counts a little bit more. I think we ended off the wave 4, and now we're working on wave 1. We knew that already, but I just wasn't quite sure what was happening with these two here. But I think we're on our last run of wave 5 right now. So this might be either at wave 5 to end this move, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end the move, or, and this is what I think a little bit more bullish, this is a wave 1. We're still in wave 1. Then we'll come back to wave 2 and off for the rest of the 5-wave count. All right. So we're an inside day so far. We pushed off the Abnb overnight. We're at resistance. Let's see how we work this. We're trying to cross over the MACD again. We're going to make a little bit more divergence, but we want to burn through that divergence. Let's see what happens. We came off of this MACD. 0 line, and that's usually a good support area. So we are looking for this MACD to actually travel up. We had a good reset to the 0 line. We want to stay in bullish territory and continue to the upside, and I think we could do that. And we came back on the RSI as well from divergence and pulled back a little bit, and now we're actually bouncing off of the 50 again, and we're going to make another divergence here as well. When we do, we have to make new highs at that point, but we'll see how we handle that. And we will continue to do this each and every day. So hit that notification button so you can receive these videos. Okay, so we had our wave 3. This is 1, 2, 3. And we corrected an ABC on wave 4. And I got to tell you guys, I was looking for, like one more move down. I didn't move the expected move from last week yet. Just a little bit more, and it got me because we drove to the upside, and I should have paid more attention to this downtrend line. So I didn't have an awesome trading day on Friday because I got caught up, but we stopped out of a trade. Anyway, so we had our ABC correction, and now I believe we're working on wave 1 and now wave 2. Now getting down even closer on this wave 2. Let's see if we can. I'm not sure that this is over yet. We had an ABC correction, but we don't seem to be really pushing out of this as a wave 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure that we pulled back enough. Let's see how we handle it today. Look at the MACD here, and it's still crossing under. We're going to retest this blue MACD line with the yellow leader, but I think we might have to come back a little bit more. So this might be maybe A, B, C, and then an A, B, C up for another A, B, C correction down, maybe to the 39.15 area, the point of control here. But we'll see. We're ultimately bullish, so we don't want to play too bearish. We just want to let this correct a little bit, and then our trade ideas will be in effect. So maybe that 39.20 is a good area with the 38.2 retracement is fine, or maybe this 50% retracement. But I'm just not sure it's going to take off from here to the upside, looking at some of the indicators. Okay, so let's check out this trade ideas. So we're going to let the market pull back, and then we will jump into some of these names. Bidu. Bidu's looking good. We had this great push on Friday, consolidating right now overnight. Let's see how we react to the pressure from the downside, and then see if it can pull out of that. Still on wave one. Rblx had this wedge it's just now getting out of, so I feel like it's looking like another wave 1, 2. And by the way, this looks like a 1, 2, and we have a 1, 2, and then also working on a wave 3 now. So Rblx looks really bullish at the minimal information that's on the screen, but I'm kind of liking looks of that. Airbnb had its ABC correction, and I'm looking to see if we can push out of this, see if wave 1 can really get going. Dkng, wonderful wave 1, down to 2, and we also had a good retracement on this. I believe it was, let's see here. Yeah, yep. So wave 1 to 2 and coming back to that golden 61.8 scenario. That's a perfect setup for today. That's Dkng. We will get into that name for sure today. Aapl. And Apple's just tightening up again. It just hasn't taken off, but we had our ABC correction. It looks like we're holding this gap area. Hopefully we can do that. We can hold it again. If it has come down just a little bit more, then so be it. But we're definitely have our eye out in Aapl. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Good luck trading today. We'll see you after the bell.